the United States and its allies launched strikes targeting Houthi sites in the Yemeni capital Sana'a. According to the Houthi officials, the strikes, which occurred today before dawn, targeted the Telemi air base, which is located over there. The residents said the explosions were very powerful. On the other side, the U.S. Central Command said in a statement that the strikes were launched from a U.S. Navy destroyer, firing missiles that targeted the Houthi radar site. The U.S. officials said the strikes aimed to deter the Houthis from launching further attacks on the shipping line in the Red Sea. However, the Houthis said their attacks in the Red Sea were in support for Palestinians and to put pressures on Israel to end its war and siege on the Palestinian enclave of Gaza Strip. The Houthis vowed to take revenge against the United States and Britain, declaring that all interests of the United States and Britain will be legitimate targets for the Houthi armed group.